Hello guys, in this video we see how to install and configure Grafana 12.0 enterprise server on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Then click on docs, then click on Grafana, then click on setup, then click on install Grafana, then select Debian or Ubuntu because we are going to install on Ubuntu 22.04. Click on it. See, we have two options by using apt repository and by using Debian package. I am going to install by using apt repository method. Okay, and see here we have the versions like Grafana Enterprise Beta, Grafana OSS and Grafana OSS Beta. Okay, these are the steps for the installation using apt repository method. Open terminal, copy these commands one by one. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, successfully installed. Now import this GPG key by running these two commands. Paste it, hit enter, it is done. Paste it, hit enter, control A. We have two options, stable release and beta releases. If you want stable release, you have to run this command. Okay, always recommended to install stable release. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter, then update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. It is done, control A. Now install the Grafana. See here, if you want to install Grafana, you have to run this command. If you want to install Grafana Enterprise Edition, you have to run this command. Okay, I am going to install Enterprise Edition. Sudo apt install Grafana -enterprise. Hit enter. See, type of confirmation and hit enter. See, its size is 182 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, it automatically installs. And see here the version is 12.0.2. Okay. See, we have successfully installed Grafana. Okay. Now verify the status of the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl status Grafana-server. See, Grafana service installed and but not started and disabled. So enable it. First, before starting, we have to reload the daemon. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start Grafana-server. Hit enter. Now enable sudo systemctl enable Grafana-server. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status Grafana-server. See, Grafana service is enabled and it is active and running. Quick hit Control A. Now we will sign into Grafana. So click on this sign into Grafana. Then see here the link. We have to use the localhost port number 3000, or you can give the host name of this one, then port number 3000, or you can give the loopback IP. First we will go with localhost. So go to new tab, localhost port number 3000, and the default username and password is admin. See here. Okay, so it is the same for both. Admin, password also same. Then click on login. Not now. And see here, update your password. And also see here, continue to use the default password exposes you to security risks. So if you want, so set the password. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. Then click on submit. Not now. See, we have successfully connected to Grafana. If you click on this question mark, see here, the version of the Grafana is 12.0.2. Okay. If you want to change the password of the currently logged in user, just click on the username, then click on change password, or go to administration, then click on users and access, then click on users, then click on user. Then see here we have the option password to change. Click on edit. Then we can provide the new password. If you want to disable user, you have to click on here. Okay, cancel and users. If you want to create new user, click on new user. Okay, then you have to fill all these details. Okay, and see here the options: home, bookmarks, start, dashboards, explore, and new option, that is drill down, metrics, logs, traces, profiles, alerting. Okay, then connections. Go to connections. These are the list of the available data sources. Now we are going to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay, so search for PostgreSQL, then click on it. See it installed, means it is already installed on this machine. Click on it. This is the connection name. Okay, now go to connection. Here PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so give localhost. If it is installed on some other, then you have to give the IP or host name of the machine. Then default port is 5432. Username is Postgres. Provide the username whatever is there on this host. Okay, provide the password. Then click on save and test. Now this is failed because SSL, I know that. Go to details. See here SSL is not enabled on the server. So go to here, select disable, then we will be able to connect. Click on save and test. See, database connection is okay. Now go to data sources. See, we have the one data source. Okay, now if you want to connect MySQL, again click on add new data source, then search for MySQL, select it, provide the name. Name can be anything, just it is the name for reference. And connection, so we have installed MySQL on this one, so give localhost. Default port is 3306 for the MySQL. I have database bank, then user root, then provide the password of this root account. Not only root, whatever is there, whatever the user is there in this MySQL, that we have to give. Then come down, then click on save and test. See, database connection is success. Okay, now go to data sources again. See here we have two data sources. Now we can create the dashboards by just clicking on build a dashboard. Now we'll see what will happen if you stop the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl stop Grafana -server. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, to connect to Grafana server must be up and running. So start it again. See, Grafana services started 2 seconds ago. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. You can also connect by using loopback IP. 127.0.0.1, port number 3000. Hit enter. See, you got the same login console. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Grafana Enterprise Edition 12.0 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.